The rambutan journey begins at the farm, where freshness is decided before sunrise.
Only fully mature rambutan is selected for processing.
Rambutan harvesting is fast, but every movement protects the fruit. One damaged rambutan can affect the entire batch later.
Ventilated crates protect rambutan from heat buildup. Rambutan quality depends on order from the very start. Once loaded, rambutan freshness starts its countdown. Temperature control now protects every rambutan inside. Every minute on the road affects rambutan quality.
This facility is designed specifically for rambutan handling.
Rambutan processing begins the moment the truck arrives.
Rambutan freshness is verified again before processing and processes.
Each rambutan batch is digitally tracked.
Heavy rambutan loads move with controlled precision.
Rambutan is transferred without drops or impact.
Proper spacing protects the rambutan rind. Stable flow prevents rambutan damage later. This wash removes field residue from rambutan.
Rotation cleans every part of the rambutan rind.
Clean water is essential for clean rambutan.
Brushes clean rambutan without tearing the rind.
Human judgments still protects rambutan quality. Every rambutan is analyzed at high speed. Size, color, and damage in rambutan are detected instantly.
Rejected rambutan is removed in milliseconds.
This rambutan never returned to the main line.
Only export-grade rambutan moves forward.
Rambutan stems are removed without tearing the rind.
Clean stem removal protects rambutan hygiene. This marks the first major stage of rambutan transformation.
Rambutan now enters a strict hygiene zone designed to stop microbes early.
These jets clean rambutan completely without damaging the hairy rind.
Rambutan safety depends on precise control, not guesswork.
Clean rambutan moves forward without risk.
Final human checks confirm rambutan integrity.
Rambutan processing scales by moving many lines at once.
Correct rambutan positioning protects the flesh inside.
Small Rambutan errors here cause big problems later.
This is where Rambutan transformation truly begins.
The rambutan shell is open just enough.
Machines assist while protecting delicate rambutan flesh.
Rambutan shells are removed for reuse and composting.
Any damaged rambutan is stopped immediately.
One core remains inside every rambutan.
Rambutan seed removal requires millimeter accuracy.
The rambutan stays whole, just lighter.
Clean separation protects rambutan texture.
This is export-grade rambutan taking shape. Even tiny rambutan flaws are detected now. Rambutan standards tighten at every stage. Only flawless rambutan is allowed forward.
Final rambutan authority still belongs to people.
Cooling stabilizes rambutan before packaging.
Temperature locks rambutan freshness in place.
Seconds here change rambutan shelf life.
Rambutan is now ready for preservation.
This space prepares rambutan for global travel.
Rambutan passes into its final phase.
Speed and precision protect rambutan during packing.
These cans are ready to move together.
Even labels must meet standards.
AI confirms branding accuracy.
Rambutan identity is added here.
Appearance matters for rambutan exports.
Shock cooling protects rambutan flavor.
Heat leaves, stability stays.
Every can must hit the exact target.
Too much heat ruins texture. Too little risks safety.
Time and temperature work together here.
Heat now becomes the final gatekeeper. The toughest test still remains. One failure never reaches consumers. Touch confirms what machines predict. Every seal is checked before moving forward. This pressure locks safety inside every can.
Oxygen is removed to protect Rambutan quality.
A misaligned lid risks Rambutan leakage. Timing is critical at this speed. Air pockets shorten Rambutan freshness.
Clean syrup extends Rambutan shelf life.
Rambutan coverage must be uniform. This syrup protects Rambutan flavor, not masks it.
Every gram of Rambutan is measured.
Consistency defines premium Rambutan products.
Rambutan is placed carefully to avoid bruising.
Even invisible dust can compromise Rambutan safety. Orientation must be perfect for Rambutan filling. Every container is cleaned before touching Rambutan. This is the final handoff before Rambutan reaches the world. Rambutan is ready to leave the factory. The final journey is approaching.
Humans still supervise the system.
Traffic flows without collisions. Balance is calculated instantly. Autonomous transport reduces human error. This is organized waiting, not delay. Storage conditions preserve Rambutan quality. One scan confirms destination. These labels decide the route. Vertical movement saves valuable space. Impact protection matters over long distances.
The pallet is now travel ready.
Different loads need different pressure.
Tension is calibrated, not guessed. This wrap locks everything together. Millimeter accuracy prevents collapse. Geometry keeps Rambutan shipments stable.
Individual cartons now move as groups.
Every Rambutan shipment must be traceable.
Rambutan traceability is added permanently. Clean seals prevent moisture entry. Seals lock Rambutan cartons for transport.
One missing can fails the carton instantly.
Packing speed must match sealing speed.
Separation prevents rambutan cans from colliding.
Every carton is built to exact rambutan weight limits.
Strong cartons protect rambutan during long-distance transport.
And just like that, the rambutan process begins again. A new day brings a new rambutan journey.
Rambutan safety is tested, not assumed.
Hygiene resets everything for the next rambutan cycle.
Even after shipping, the rambutan system never sleeps.
Responsibility ends with confirmation.
Digitally, the Rambutan batch is now complete.
This is where rambutan leaves the plant and enters the world. Freshness is locked in for the long journey ahead.
Rambutan conditions are tracked from factory to destination.
Movement during transport is the real enemy of rambutan quality. Human positioning prevents rambutan damage during transit.
Automation keeps rambutan loading fast and controlled.
One incorrect reading can stop the entire rambutan load. Cold chain protection starts before loading even begins.
If it shifts, it's rebuilt.
The next journey starts now.
And this is just one day inside a modern rambutan processing plant. Every step mattered. Miss one, and the entire batch fails. In just minutes, this rambutan went from a tree through human hands, AI eyes, heat,